So we're back from Noboribetsu.
Yeah.
It's time to touch base and sort out our next leg of the adventure.
Yeah.
Get a couple beverages.
Yes, sir.
And you're thinking Sapporo Beer Museum, eh?
Yeah, I think so.
That sounds like a good time.
Yeah.
All right, Cameron.
I love this city a lot. I think it's a good city.
Yeah, it's a very nice city.
I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do. I didn't think there'd be as much to do here, but there is quite a bit.
Yeah, I agree with you. My expectations are surpassed by actual experience.
Yeah.
Huzzah.
Huh.
Where are we going, girl?
The moon.
Oh, cool.
Beautiful.
Very Christmassy, right?
Yeah.
Tree decorations. All right. Any idea which way we're going?
Yeah. Lots of ideas.
Cool.
If we fail hard. If we succeed even harder.
Go team.
You can quote me on that. Put a little quote in the bottom.
Cool. Unless you forget to.
An elephant never forgets.
Ah. It wasn't going to...
Where are we?
Sapporo Beer Museum.
Yeah. We'll see what we can see. I don't know what we can see, what's closed, but we'll check it out.
Yeah.
That window's cool. Eh? That's you and me, right? And a friend? It's Gabby on the last trip. 3 of us. So seeing as the tastings hall was closed, we bought some different Sapporo beers.
They're dark, right?
I think so. And I brought my Kuala Lumpur opener.
Very nice.
I've been carrying it in my purse for a while. It's a magnet, so it keeps sticking to the top of the bottle. Oh no. Is it not any better than our other travel opener?
It's definitely better.
I don't know if it is.
You want me to do it?
We might have to take a commercial break.
Okay.
going so well. An eternity later.
I guess we used this in Kuala Lumpur until it completely fell apart. I've almost got this one.
Oh, there's only one more left to go.
There we go.
Thank you. Thanks, love. Loving it. Kampai. Give it a try, bud.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's rich. That's smooth. Let's see what you think.
It's still like a Pilsner, but it's slightly darker.
It does feel richer than I require.
Required, yes.
I require. And I recall Sapporo tasting.
And the good part is, if you feel like your beer is warming up too much in the hot summer sun,
Yeah.
there you go.
Would you like to drink a snowman?
I would like to drink a snowman. What you doing over there?
Cheers to you, thing.
You calling these people things? That's rude. Shout out to beer lovers. Much darker water. 2 barrels over there, you can. And it's open to the element at the top. So I'm going on a morning coffee run. Coffee run, great success.
Okay.
Let's go to Otaru.
Otaru. Sounds like a plan.
I think we figured out the right train to Otaru. We will see.
Yeah.
Or we won't, whatever. One or the other.
See the other trains forming pretty big lines.
Yeah.
So, good idea to get early.
The next stop is Kotomi.
トイレは
We made it, I think. Uka chaka, uka chaka.
No, I just said Otaru because I was using a different camera and I thought it might make it easier for you if you had a reference. I can't stop that feeling.
Deep inside of me. I should probably go to a doctor. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Huh? Sort of like Colin. We got a little boat tour. People on there.
You ready?
Yes.
Do it. Whatever it is.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
I guess I wasn't right.
Look at all the ice in the top, eh?
Sort of like Colin. We got a little boat tour.
Yeah.
People on there.
Might take a picture even.
Oh.
Not use fire. Oh, but I'm cold. Is it? Is it really dark?
Yeah, it's reasonably dark. I wonder if it's all blackness.
Probably. The GoPro can't really pick stuff up. Wait, not that one. Maybe.
This place is called Thriller Karaoke because the only song you can sing is Thriller. I'm completely okay with that.
I don't know. At this point, I don't even know what the last thing we filmed was, but here's a cute little bear guy before we eat some food. He's cute.
Context. We're back from the Sapporo Beer Museum. We came to Sapporo Station. We walked by the Don Quixote, through the Don Quixote. Now we're in a little plaza thinking, where can we eat? And we'll find something and we'll eat it.
Yeah, we will. Cool. Really like the crabs up there. They're cool.
Holly just got this thing. We talked to the camera that wasn't recording for 15 minutes.
Yeah, we did.
She's hoping for the axolotl. She got the rabbit. She's wanting to hear the rabbit. I think that's good luck.
Yeah, and we had a 15-year-old rabbit that just died a couple of years ago.
That's sad.
Which is like the world record of rabbits. It's not true, 16 is the record, but...
So we were supposed to be eating, but instead we're going to look at comic books and toys.
And then eat.
Yeah, then we're going to eat.
And also, look at this little man!
That's so cute. I'm glad you got that one.
in Mandrake so that you would buy stuff. What happened?
I didn't buy a single thing. Yeah, we think they were closing, not 100% sure, but there's announcements being made that probably equate to we're closing soon, please get out. Or so our imaginations tell us. And Holly found some Ghibli art books that steal. It's crazy how cheap manga and art books are in Japan. I found an art book that I had already purchased that's by one of my favorite artists, and when I bought it, it was like over $100. Here, $15, and like it was mint. Yeah, I think yeah. I was eyeballing a Lupin vinyl because I'm a big fan of Yuji Ono, a jazz composer in Japan. But I decided, I've got the MP3s and such. Maybe I shouldn't bother. Just the idea of trying to like not break a vinyl over the next couple weeks.
We figure it out if you wanted to.
Yeah, that's okay.
Let's go find food now, actually.
Yeah, back to a real quest. Hey. Admiring the pretty lights on the trees.
Whatever's going on there.
Going on where?
이거 안 보니? 이게 단데? 이게 단데?
반대로 넘어가야지.
나는